Yeah, very difficult. So we have Grand Champion, Reserve Grand Champion, and first runners-up. So basically the competition is divided into two groups. One is age 5 and below. The other one is from 6 years old all the way to 12. Alright, probably I'd like to show you the winning coin. Would you be able to send the 1, 2, 3 placing up for the paper coin competition? Wow, the trophies and the prize are here. Wow, Grand Champion. Wow. Okay, we would like to invite Mr. Konishi-san to give away the very important prize. Let's start with the below age 5. Okay, there's a special prize given by Mr. Konishi, and the winner is Rachel. Handphone number, Papa Mama's handphone number is 877-79118. Beautiful number. Where is the Papa Mama? Okay. Wow, it's very beautiful. It's even better than a living coin. Okay. Alright, wow, see, so beautiful, right? Even better than a living coin. See, well done, special prize winner, Rachel. Next, we have Reserve Grand Champion. Okay, instead of Reserve Grand Champion, we go Grand Champion first. Okay, the Grand Champion winner is, for the below 5 one, is Ju. Mama's handphone number is 96475387. Please buy 4D. Okay, the prize. Number 1. Grand Champion. The parents win prize, now children also win prize. Wow, Grand Champion. Well done. Well done. Now we have Reserve Grand Champion. Reserve Grand Champion is won by, I don't know how to pronounce the name. Leah. Papa Mama's number 979544048. Well done. Wow, very beautiful. Reserve Grand Champion. Well done, yeah? Wow, she's the style. Reserve Grand Champion winner. Turn around and take a picture. Turn around. Well done. Yeah.